habit because it just makes dressing a little easier on the mind. You know what I mean? You have to think about it. So the jogger is $47.98. It's on sale. Your 3 easy payments, $15.99. It's A676031. Colors match right on back to that hoodie. So there they are in wine. There they are in teal. And then there they are in the black. Extra, extra small to 5X. Regular and short lengths on this one.
If you're not familiar with the short, I'll just briefly tell you, Jean Bice, our founder, would always say, I'm short, I'm not petite. I still need that full rise. So that's what we do. The regular and the short have the same rises. Your only measurement difference is that inseam.
Yes.
I think you said 25 on the...
25.5 is the short, and then the regular is 28. But these are easy. Pull on.
So
gorgeously soft.
Yes. I have to tell you that I did wear my, I have 2 sets of this. And
you might be getting 3. You might be getting, I feel it.
I may or may not have ordered another hoodie today.
Okay.
Maybe. I may or may not have.
Maybe. And it's okay. We're not judging.
Right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to miss out on these because,
especially that
because
hoodie.
I love it so much, right? But the pants, I actually wore my pants in and have been sitting in the car and sitting in the green room. And I have been so comfortable. Pull-on style. Ooh, may I show the inside of the waistband?
Please.
Because,
it's okay.
We gave you a little extra stitch, which helps that twisting, which sometimes can happen with a fully elasticized waistband. But look at that full waistband. This is a bouncy, luxurious, delicious fabric. Last weekend, I was away at a girls' weekend scrapbooking, and I walked into the hotel.
So
Thank you.
Yes.
It's a lot of fun. It's like I just
You do all the fun things. They say I do fun things. You do fun things.
Well, thank you. I appreciate you saying that because I know you do fun things. But I was wearing it, and I met with my roommate for the weekend, and she went, "Is that Quacker?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "I need to get that." I said, "Yeah, you do."
Yeah. This is, again, it's that I live in outfits like this.
Me too.
Anybody who knows me, ask Jane Brown. What do I normally wear when she sees me? A matching top and a matching bottom. It like literally 90% of the time Jane Brown sees me, she says, "Oh, you love the matching outfit." I said, "I love the ease of it."
Yeah.
I don't want to think about dressing a lot of the times. And so when I just go in my closet, it's a random Tuesday, I got to go to work, I need to go to the grocery store, maybe, an errand here or there. I'll just throw this on. I know I'm comfortable and I know I look good. So if I do run into anybody, at least I look appropriate. And that's literally like my life. I tell people this too. When I'm not at work, I typically don't wear makeup either.
Me either.
So, you know what I mean? I don't really wear makeup. So this is just that easy. You throw these on, whether it's with like an essential t-shirt, with that hoodie, you have it and you're out the door and you're comfortable.
Absolutely.
You have a lovely elastic waistband so you don't have to worry about it digging into your skin. And then you have great, nice pockets there, which are nice and deep. Tissue. It's tissue season. So you have a tissue, right? You have a tissue,
there we go.
And you have a lip balm in there or your cell phone, and you're ready to go. And then the bottom. You don't have to worry about this being so tight around your ankle that it's cutting off your circulation. That is not. And you can see it there on Angel. It's nice and relaxed and loose, and she's wearing these in her regular 1X.
Yep, 1X.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing the regular length.
The regular length.
Yes,
and how tall are
bags
you?
a little bit. I'm 5'8".
Yeah.
But I am very narrow for being a full-size girl.
Yep.
I am narrow in the bootay and the hip area. So these tend to hang a little bit looser on me. Which
the funny thing is, at a 28-inch inseam, for me, it'll probably would come up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it just depends on how you're built.
Yeah.
And, but they're called my go-to.
Yes.
The team, named this after me because I was like, I have 2 sets of this.
Yeah.
One's in the wash, one's on my body.
Right.
Rotate, rinse, repeat.
Right.
Because it's so comfortable.
It's true.
And when I'm off, this is how I live.
Yeah, me too. Literally.
Yes.
You catch me on the street, I'm typically in something matching, top and bottom. That's just kind of how I roll. I would say 80 to 90% of the time, especially during these months, these, colder months. So colors, again, they match right back to the hoodie. Now the hoodie is on a clearance, so you don't want to wait on the hoodie.
Right.
The pants are on sale though, so you are saving a few dollars off of the pants as well. That's wine. Here they are in black. And then lastly, that is your teal. Extra, extra small, 5X. Again, your machine wash, tumble dry, good to go there. They're gonna maintain that gorgeous color and stay really nice and soft for you as well. So the top that